Hey guys, in the last video we added the margin, and now in this video we'll learn to add text element to the page. Now uh, I told you, remember that as soon as you enter the new post panel, you'll click on the backend editor option and you'll see this kind of a screen. And then you have several options here: landing page, call to action page, featured list, description page, service list, and blah 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 blah. So those are the all defined layouts which you can use to make your post. We will look at those later. Now we'll start with, like, how do we add a text element to the page. So basically there is this option here which we see is like add element. We click on it and we get this whole set of other options which are like add a row, add a text block, add a separator. These are different elements which you can add on your post page. More or less we will be using only the text block, the image block, or sometimes the maps if we need, or sometimes if you have to add a video or a progress bar or something kind of a thing, you can add those things from here. We'll go with a text box right now, so we click on the text block. And a text block, you can see, like, here we see a text block here, and this settings panel open where you can like select and add the text which you want to add. Now I'll take some text from the article which I have. So here it's like the first article. I take like first three paragraphs. um yeah, I'll take like one, two, three paragraphs from here. See, I'll copy it and I'll like paste it here. And then you can see, like, this is like uh the paragraph which I've added as. And I save the changes here, and you can see the same as it is, it's been added here. And we check the preview out here, and it's like, so the preview is like, you can see like you have added the text already. You can see like this is the text and this is the title over here. So your text has been added to the page. And then, like, you can add more text elements, and you can also do one thing, like, add text element, one more row. If you want to add, you can add headings also, like the custom heading. If you want to add something like, you know heading is like a single line kind of a thing which you put it in a bold and larger format. uh like, let's go like, this is the heading. So on our page we'll get the heading. This is the element tag. H2 means it's a larger size, H3 is a bit smaller one, H4 is a little more smaller. So it's like, that's the alignment. Is like, if you align the text, that I'll show you right now. Font size, you don't need to do it because it's a heading. Now you have font style, which is like, you can select your font style and it loads here. You can see, like, this is the font style now. And if you change it again to, like, something like this, it will load the font, and it is still loading. Now the font size become like this. Let's save the changes, and we'll preview it. So you can see the page is loading here. And now the page loads. Like, look, this is the heading. So the rest of the text which you have added is like normal font, and the heading is like bold, and somehow this is indented towards the left. Can you see it? So you can change it. You can hover on the text block, and you have the text edit option. You can come on every element, like if you have a header, you have an image, or you have a text box, anything. You come at the center of the block and you get this edit option which is displayed. This is the clone text box option. It's like, if you click on it, you get the same cloned thing. It gets copied, and the same text box appears here. You can even move the text box up or down, that I'll show you later. You can delete the text block. Okay, so you deleted the block. Now you know what is the clone option, and you can see the edit option. Now I'll show you like the left indenting thing which I was showing you. This is the heading which we have. And like text align. So if you put it in the center and you save the changes, and then you see the preview. So if you can see, like, this heading which is towards the left part will come to the center. Now you can know there is a gap to the left and to the right, and the heading is in the center. So this is how you align the text. So this is the way you add text to the your post. So in next video we'll be learning about how to add images to the post. What's up? Have a good time.